on, guys. It's time to come in.
Keep going.
Oh, come on. Get in here. That's enough. Oh, come on.
You can't make it. I don't think
Let him get up.
Okay.
You're just making it harder. Come on. You've been out long enough. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You were out there like all of about 3 minutes, and that's long enough, isn't it? Love you. Love your outfit. Love your fireman boots, or whatever they are. Did you have enough? Cold. Tori, I think you're a little frostbit. Seriously, where's Tia?
Outside in the van.
In the van? Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Good thing that you were in the van because Tori looks frostbit. Let me see your face.
Do you want to see back on my head?
You got a lot of snow there.
Probably melts and then I'll have to skip a shower.
What were you doing in the van?
I was trying to get warm.
That's what we have a house for, dear.
Yeah, but you said don't get any snow in the house.
Well, it's too late.
So no snow in the house, I got snow in your van.
I know, thanks.
It will melt and then it'll dry.